The purposive communication is a form of communication used to write, speak, and present to different audience for various purposes. It means to the student to help their communication effectively and efficiently to a bright to a brighter audience and to deliver the intended messages. This is the different types of purposive communication. Internal communication is, is the process of exchanging information, feelings, and meaning between two or more than people through verbal and non-verbal the example intrapersonal communication is a process of communication with oneself, self-talk, reflection, emotional processing, and decision making. 3. Public communication is the process of sharing information with large audience, public service announcements, political campaigns. Mass communication is the process of delivering message to a large dispersed audience through various forms media, social media, messaging, advertising, and marketing. Intercultural communication is the process of exchanging information between people different cultural backgrounds. This is my task for today. Ma'am, thank you and God bless.